traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 18th of March 2021, the day of expiry. Today was a very fascinating day. There were few participants who made 4x of their capital on the trade that went at 3 o'clock, and a lot of them had a very exciting day today. So we'll talk about it more. If you want to make similar profits, then join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us tomorrow at 9:15. You have a list of our Telegram channel below. You can click over there and join our forum and see how we are doing so far, and also get free market views on that particular group. And similarly, on the top right corner, there is a link for testimonials about what we have done so far, so that you can go ahead and look at them as well to get the feel about what we do and what's our purpose. So without further ado, let us quickly go ahead and have a look and see what's happening. So today, this was my chart that I was actually working this out today, and I knew something weird is going to happen here, but the Bank Nifty index started consolidating here and the puts were not frictioning. I think these guys were actually waiting for Narendra Modi to speak today, our beloved Prime Minister, at 3 o'clock. He did not give any direction to the market. What happened next is a fall. So what is going to happen tomorrow? It's a simple thing. Now, if you look at this, I had drew this particular lines over here, and we were trying to go ahead and understand what's happening in the market. So looking at that, the first target that we see for tomorrow is 33,986. If we go anywhere below today's low, we're going to reach there first. And if it so likely happens to be we open there, then we would need to wait for a range to form, and that will open up different targets for us. Let us quickly delete whatever is here and look at the targets. So quickly, we'll go to the daily time frame, because right now we have come across from a very volatile range to a range where it can actually give us some desired profit. So the first place that I'm looking at over here, that would be an immediate support for the index tomorrow, would be 34,033. If we sustain there and break down with a full 5-minute candle below 34,033, then our first target would be the low of this day. That would be 33,588. If you're not able to sustain there, it is going to be 33,167. So these are the levels which are actually open for tomorrow and for the next entire week. So that is where I'm waiting for the market to head. But before there is a humongous crash or whatever happens, the retracement over here, I just want to tell you, the fall at this particular point of time is somewhere around 10%. So a correction in a bull market up to 10% is a correction. But more than that, we might be entering the bear phase. So will this be a correction? Will there be a bounce back? What is going to happen will only be in store for us tomorrow. But these are the key levels that I have for the bottom. But if you want to go ahead and see what are the levels for the upside tomorrow, then I fear that until and unless we take out 34,500, we won't be even near a CE tomorrow. So the market can actually go ahead and be sideways, or it can just kill itself over here straight away. So looking forward to an exciting expiry tomorrow, whether it is going to be a sideways market or a trending, we will get to know. The only reason our participants were able to make 4x of their capital was only because it was a Wednesday. Similar thing happens on a Thursday. God knows, they might buy a Jaguar on their trades. So, looking forward for some exciting day, and that day might be tomorrow. So let's see where we open, what is going to happen. I'm going to be keenly looking for a very important news that is coming to the US market, and then I will give my free market view in the morning in the Telegram channel, so you can go ahead and join there and work it accordingly. And also, I would thank you for your time over this video. Please don't please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this video, and press the bell icon for a notification every time. Thank you so much for your time today. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind. See you tomorrow.